We came to Korean BBQ. We're waiting on Karen. That's taking her sweet time. And then we got the wife all the way up there. She's been calling us to hurry up, that there's tables and whatnot. But this little Gucci dog is taking forever. She's gonna be inviting us today because she's leaving. Heck yeah. How many plates are waiting today?
Plates? Is this all you can?
We always come to this place first. It's a lot cheaper and the food is a lot better. So they even have sometimes lunch specials, but right now because it's the weekend, we gotta QR code it and check the menu. Just fine though. It's 100 degrees outside. We got a whole change low key.
Stop, chill.
That's course number 1. She's thinking too much.
Blah, 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 blah.
You guys missed the part where I ate my soup. I've been recording this whole time. What is this? What meat is this? Cali steak? Boneless marinated beef. Alright, we're getting the first grill change because it's already burned up. Oh, beef brisket. Beef bulgogi, I mean. That's good. First time seeing her cook right now. We're gonna explode. Got our second order right here. We're basically just getting the same things, and I'm watching my game. We're talking that got in for the first time ever. She drank vegetable smoothie, and she's telling us her experience that she's falling asleep because it's not meat. This is my second time showing you my soup.
Why do you put for the hand?
I ordered myself a squid and this is how it came. And we're Karen is nauseous already. She's pregnant.
No, like, but practice. Oh. I think look at
Tom. We're full after 2 hours eating. Hey guys, this is the damage. And they're ungrateful and unsatisfied. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow. We're gonna try some of these guys.
Wait, what is it? What flavor is it?
Alright, because I guess they were full apparently.
Apparently.
We're trying to give them that Croon's ice cream.
Apparently. Did you get it? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen. I am going to try a coffee one. Can somebody hold my phone? Damn, bro, this thing is hard.
No,
is it meant to be like that?
No, let it cool down for a little bit.
Oh,
You gotta sit on it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's sit on this. I guess they're warming it up.
So then it's soft when you eat it.
Apparently.
It's only funny once. So.
Go try it. I think it smells like it breaks. enough, Mom.
I'm good. It's on my braces.
What do you rate it?
I'm like 7 out of 10. Like a 6.
Which one's that? That's the mango.
Yeah, this is the mango.
Damn, fool. Say don't spray it. Probably throwing COVID all over the place. This is a hard judge. This restaurant's going out of business.
This is
Damn, woman. Take your time.
I've had this before. I like it.
What is-
Does it taste like fake strawberry? Or does it taste like actual strawberry? Because that's what I don't like.
Yeah, 7. Not bad. It tastes like strawberry milk.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't like them. I'm so you can know.
I like that one.
Vanilla?
No, I think I tried this one already too. I like it. It's a billion out of 10.
You tried that one.